Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make barbecue sauce for nuggets. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of quality ketchup, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. These 3 components form the delicious base of our sauce. Having everything measured and ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect blend of sweet and tangy flavors for your favorite nuggets. Now, let's elevate our sauce with some key spices. Add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika for that essential barbecue smokiness. Next, include 1 teaspoon of garlic powder to deepen the savory notes. For a gentle warmth, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Adjust this amount to your preferred spice level. These additions transform a simple base into a complex, flavorful sauce that perfectly complements any nugget. With all your ingredients combined, it's time to cook. Pour everything into a medium saucepan and place it over medium heat. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 15 minutes, stirring every few minutes to prevent sticking. This simmering process allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken to a rich, pourable consistency, ideal for dipping. Once your barbecue sauce has reached its perfect consistency, remove it from the heat. It's crucial to let it cool completely before serving or storing. This allows the flavors to fully develop. Once cool, transfer the sauce into a clean, airtight container. You can store this homemade delight in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ensuring you always have a fresh batch ready for your next nugget craving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.